Moon.
A full moon, Micah. Indeed, a full blue moon nonetheless. Wow. So yeah, we're very excited about that. Make sure you tune in tomorrow because I'm sure Kai will have it and he'll be talking all about it. This won't happen again for another 19 years. The fact that we are going to have a full moon on Halloween, let alone a blue moon, full moon on Halloween. Think about that. 83 degrees this afternoon over downtown Los Angeles. 77 is the average. So again, the temperatures will continue to warm up as we make our way into and through the weekend into early next week, as a matter of fact. At the moment, it's sitting at 72 degrees. The winds there are calm in downtown anyway. 75 in Fullerton, westerly winds at 3 miles per hour. So the light breeze there. 75 in Fullerton, as I mentioned, 79 for you in Ontario, and 68 in Camarillo. As we look at the big picture, satellite radar shows that we've got an area of high pressure to our north, an area of low pressure to our south. As they move closer to Southern California, they're going to come not quite together, but close enough together to where their pattern is going to meet up over Southern California. We are going to see weak offshore flow. This is going to be another Santa Ana wind event. This is going to be a warm air mass. This is typically a colder air mass, but again, because it's coming from the south, it's the tropical air. There is going to be a bit of warmthness compared to like a cold system out of the Pacific Northwest, correct? So what we're going to be talking about, though, is those northeasterly winds that are going to be joining us this weekend. We are going to see at this point wind gusts at 35, 40 miles per hour along the mountaintops and away from. We are also going to see that relative humidity drop about 8 to 12%. So again, it's going to be low, but not nearly as low as we had with the last Santa Ana wind event, and that's very important. We still have a lot of dry fuels out there, but along the coast, completely different story. Tomorrow, it's all about reduced visibility. The marine layer is going to stay very close to the coast, and it's going to be very shallow. That means it is going to be very low to the ground. Tomorrow, you'll need your low beams if you're going to head out the door early. In fact, you could even encounter some reduced visibility, so remember to slow down. It could be as low as a quarter of a mile. So remember that a lot of people still go to work over the weekend, especially if you leave your house early. Keep that in mind. All those highways, all the freeways that hug the coastline, those are the ones that will be impacted by that reduced visibility. 76 degrees tomorrow in Laguna Beach, a lovely afternoon. Riverside, a little bit warm. Corona, 89, maybe 90 degrees for you. Also a bit warm there. San Fernando, San Gabriel Valley are going to be a little bit different over the next few days. If I don't tell you that they're different, then they're going to be the same, but this weekend they're going to be slightly different. 90 degrees tomorrow for the San Fernando Valley. San Gabriel Valley will remain in the upper 80s. By Tuesday, the San Gabriel Valley will remain in the upper 80s to mid 80s, and the San Fernando Valley will be warmer at 90. LA Coastal Basin over the weekend, well above average temperatures in the mid 80s for the Halloween weekend. And for the Inland Empire, upper 80s, 91 on Monday. That's when you're going to peak, and then the numbers will come down for you. Orange County, upper 80s, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and this weekend, we set our clocks back an hour. And that'll do it.